In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all of your listings on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're clearing out outdated posts or simply want to start fresh, this guide will help you navigate through the necessary steps efficiently. First off, you'll want to head over to the Facebook website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu located on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. From there, look for the Marketplace icon, which usually resembles a little store. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Marketplace section where all buying and selling activities happen. Now, focus on the central panel. Near the top, you will see various options. Click on the one that says Selling. This is your personal dashboard for all the listings you've put up in the marketplace. It's where you can manage, edit, or delete your sales. Next, you'll need to locate the listing you want to delete. Adjacent to each listing, you should see 3 vertical dots. By clicking on them, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the option to delete listing. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on delete listing, you might be prompted with a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to delete. Confirm your choice by clicking on delete. This will permanently remove the listing from your marketplace inventory. After deleting a listing, Facebook may ask you to choose a reason for the deletion. This is an optional step, but it can be helpful for Facebook's feedback and improvement purposes. Choose whatever reason you feel is most appropriate and then proceed by clicking Next. Once you have completed these steps for each listing you want to delete, it's a good idea to refresh your selling page. This refresh ensures that your changes have been successfully applied and lets you verify that the listings have indeed been removed. And there you have it, a clean slate on Facebook Marketplace. You can now move forward with new listings as you see fit. This process is straightforward and effective, helping you maintain an organized online selling space. If you have further questions or run into issues, Facebook's Help Center is a great resource for troubleshooting. Thanks for following along and happy selling or browsing on Facebook Marketplace.